Well, it was originally discovered, if you will. It's probably been here before then, but originally was brought to attention in 1993 in May. An astute Indian Health Service physician, Dr. Bruce Tempest, noticed that several patients were dying young. They were healthy, they had no medical problems, and they were coming in with a cardiopulmonary arrest. And he noticed something is going on and notified the CDC. The CDC comes, and then they look to discover mouse trapping campaigns and what did these patients have in common, and that's how it came to be in May of 1993. Now, it's not common, but you feel like you may have the flu. You have fever, chills, maybe a headache, muscle aches, and you may have some GI discomfort. So diarrhea, abdominal pain. And this, it lasts into 3 different phases, but this is what we call the prodromal phase. So it's, you think you have the flu or some other viral or GI bug potentially. So you may not recognize that this is Hanta. Well, I think all of the hantavirus cases here in the US are west of the Mississippi, about 94% of them. And it's very prevalent in the Four Corners area, so New Mexico, Colorado, and Arizona are hotspots. And it may be something to do with the deer mice and the ecology and the rural areas of the country that bring these mouse and human encounters closer together. Well, I mean, I think we know that patients that do get hantavirus and survive have long-lasting antibodies to the virus, even up to 20 years later. We don't really know why there are some patients that skip that very critical phase, the cardiopulmonary phase, and then get better. Some people have mild disease, some people have very severe disease. There are some studies in the past looking at the amount of virus in the blood. And so the higher copies of the RNA virus in the blood, the sicker you are. And vice versa, if your body can't make the antibodies or mount a response to treat or to fight off this virus, then you may be at risk of having a poorer outcome or getting sicker. So those are the 2 things that we know, but they're not really helpful in the moment, in the point of care where someone comes to the provider, because you can't get that information